Many men struggle to keep a woman hooked without looking desperate to please her. You've probably wondered, how can I make her think about me constantly without coming across as needy? How do I become the guy she can't get out of her head? The key lies in becoming irresistibly attractive through your actions and demeanor, not through constant pursuit. In this video, we'll reveal 9 powerful strategies that high-value men use to have women utterly captivated, eagerly anticipating their next interaction, all while maintaining their dignity and allure. 1. Master the art of intriguing communication. Forget predictable good morning texts. Instead, become a master of intriguing communication. Send her thought-provoking messages that spark her curiosity and keep her engaged. Share an interesting fact, ask her opinion on a current event, or challenge her with a playful riddle. The goal is to stand out from the crowd and give her something to ponder throughout her day. This approach works because it stimulates her intellectually and emotionally. By providing value in your interactions, you become someone she looks forward to hearing from, not out of obligation, but genuine interest. Vary your communication style and timing to keep an element of pleasant surprise. Sometimes be deep and philosophical, other times lighthearted and funny. This unpredictability keeps her wondering what fascinating thing you'll say next, making her eager to check her phone for your messages. 2. Be hot and cold. Master the art of being unpredictable. Sometimes be super attentive and affectionate, other times be a bit distant. This keeps her on her toes, always wondering what version of you she'll get next. When you're in hot mode, be fully present and engaged. Show her your affectionate, caring side. Plan surprise dates, write her heartfelt messages, or do something special that you know she'll love. Make her feel cherished and appreciated. But don't maintain this intensity constantly, as it can become overwhelming or lose its impact over time. When you shift to cold mode, it's not about ignoring her or being rude. Instead, it's about focusing more on your own life and interests. Take some time for your hobbies, hang out with friends, or work on personal projects. This shows her that while you care for her deeply, you also have a full, interesting life of your own. The key is to never be cruel or play games. It's about maintaining an element of excitement and mystery in your relationship. This technique works because it triggers her brain's reward system. The unpredictability keeps her engaged and always looking forward to your next interaction. 3. Surprise her. Spontaneity is a powerful tool in keeping her obsessed with you. Surprise her with unexpected gestures, both big and small. It could be anything from her favorite coffee on a tough day to a weekend getaway she wasn't expecting. These surprises show that you're thinking about her and keep the relationship fresh and exciting. They don't always have to be material things. Surprise her with a new skill you've learned or by taking her to try a new experience. The key is to make these surprises thoughtful and tailored to her interests. This shows that you pay attention to what she likes and cares about making her happy. Remember, the element of surprise is what matters most, not the size or cost of the gesture. A handwritten note left in her bag, a playlist of songs that remind you of her, or a spontaneous dance in the kitchen can be just as impactful as grander gestures. The goal is to keep her guessing and excited about what you might do next. This constant state of positive anticipation keeps you at the forefront of her mind, making her increasingly obsessed with you and your relationship. 4. Master the art of absence. While it's important to be present in her life, knowing when to step back is equally crucial. Don't be available 24/7. Have your own hobbies, friends, and activities. This creates a healthy space in the relationship and makes her miss you. When you do spend time together, it becomes more valuable and cherished. It also gives you both a chance to grow individually. By having a full, interesting life outside of the relationship, you become more attractive and she'll be more eager to be a part of your world. Remember, absence makes the heart grow fonder. When you're not constantly available, she has time to miss you and think about you. She'll look forward to your time together more, and she'll be more excited to hear about what you've been up to when you were apart. This creates a dynamic where she's always a little eager for your attention without you having to do anything desperate to get it. Just be sure not to take this too far. Complete unavailability or long periods of absence can be hurtful and damaging to the relationship. The goal is to find a balance that keeps her interested and slightly longing for you, while still maintaining a strong, healthy relationship. 5. Become her personal growth catalyst. Encourage her dreams and aspirations. Be her biggest cheerleader, but also challenge her to grow. Offer support when she needs it, and gentle pushes when she's hesitating. By being a positive force in her personal development, you become an irreplaceable part of her life journey. Show genuine interest in her goals and offer practical help when you can. This could involve helping her study for a big exam, being her workout buddy as she trains for a marathon, or giving her constructive feedback on a project she's working on. This approach not only makes her associate you with positive growth, but it also deepens your bond as you celebrate her achievements together. When she succeeds, make sure to acknowledge and celebrate her hard work. This reinforces the positive association she has with you and her personal growth. Over time, she'll come to see you as an essential part of her journey towards becoming her best self, creating a deep emotional connection that goes beyond surface-level attraction. 6. Create shared rituals. Develop unique traditions or inside jokes that only the two of you share. It could be a special way of saying goodbye, a weekly date night, or an annual adventure. These shared experiences create a strong bond and give her something that's exclusively yours as a couple. They become anchor points in your relationship, things she looks forward to and cherishes. Over time, these rituals become a part of your shared identity as a couple, making your relationship feel special and unique. The power of shared rituals lies in their ability to create a sense of continuity and belonging. They give her something to look forward to and provide a sense of security in the relationship. These rituals don't have to be elaborate. It could be as simple as always kissing goodbye in a certain way, or having a specific meal together on Sundays. The key is consistency and meaning. As these rituals become ingrained in your relationship, they'll serve as constant reminders of your connection, keeping you on her mind even when you're apart. 7. Be her rock, not her therapist. While it's important to be supportive, avoid becoming her emotional dumping ground. Be there for her in tough times, but maintain healthy boundaries. Offer solutions when asked, but don't try to fix everything. This balance shows that you care deeply while maintaining your own emotional stability. It also encourages her to develop her own problem-solving skills. By being a steady, calming presence in her life without taking on all her burdens, you become someone she relies on and admires for your strength and wisdom. This approach creates a healthy dynamic where she sees you as a source of strength and stability rather than someone who will solve all her problems. When she's going through a tough time, listen empathetically, offer comfort, and provide perspective when appropriate, but also encourage her to find her own solutions and grow from her challenges. This balance of support and encouragement will make her value your presence in her life even more, seeing you as an essential partner in navigating life's ups and downs. 8. Master nonverbal communication. Sometimes what you don't say speaks louder than words. Learn to communicate your affection through touch, glances, and body language. A lingering look across a room, a gentle touch on the small of her back, or a warm hug can convey deep emotions without a word. This creates an intimate, almost telepathic connection between you. Mastering this skill makes your presence powerful, even in silence. She'll find herself drawn to you, craving those wordless moments of connection. Nonverbal communication can be incredibly powerful in creating and maintaining attraction. Pay attention to your body language. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and use open gestures. Learn to read her nonverbal cues as well, so you can respond appropriately to her emotional state without her having to explicitly tell you. This attunement to each other's nonverbal signals creates a deep sense of connection and understanding. She'll feel like you truly get her on a level beyond words, which can be incredibly captivating. 9. Be genuinely confident, not arrogant. True confidence is magnetic. Be sure of yourself, your decisions, and your worth, but without crossing into arrogance. Stand up for your beliefs, take care of your appearance, and carry yourself with poise. This quiet confidence will draw her to you and make her feel secure in your relationship. Remember, confidence comes from self-acceptance and continuous self-improvement. As you grow more confident, she'll find herself more and more attracted to your unwavering sense of self. Genuine confidence is about knowing your worth without needing to prove it to others. It's about being comfortable with who you are, including your flaws and areas for improvement. This kind of confidence is incredibly attractive because it suggests stability and reliability. A confident man isn't easily swayed by others' opinions or quick to become jealous or insecure. This creates a sense of safety in the relationship, allowing her to relax and be herself around you. At the same time, your confidence will inspire her to be her best self, creating a positive cycle of growth and attraction in your relationship. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.